Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you guys about affiliate marketing. So I'm going to explain to you guys what is affiliate marketing and which program for affiliate marketing is the best, and which one you can make money easier, and so many stuff in affiliate marketing that you want to know. And I'm going to share with you guys all the strategy, all the technique that I knew about the affiliate marketing, and I'm going to share with you guys one by one, and you will get some benefit from this video, and you will see the result for your affiliate marketing online business. Okay, so first of all, if you guys new to my channel, you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I definitely recommend it. And if you guys have any question, any thought at the end of the video, you guys can uh, uh, share with us on the comment section below, and we will happy to answer your comments. And if you guys have any idea about affiliate marketing as well, you guys can comment below. So let's get in right to affiliate marketing. And what is the affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is a product or service that you want to generate sales for the customer, and you don't even own that product. This product is from another affiliate program or from another called vendors. So vendors is, for example, someone create a course, some people create a recipe for a food or health or fitness or whatever. The instruction for that kind of program, and a program is designed by affiliate. So for example, if you are a marketer and you want to promote your product, but you don't have any product, and you want to promote another product from another affiliate program or from another uh, you know um, organization, you guys just can go and join this affiliate program and promote this product. Okay, so this is called affiliate marketing. The product that you didn't own, and you promote another product from another affiliate program or another organization. So that's called affiliate marketing. So keep this in mind. So what I'm gonna share with you guys about affiliate marketing uh, is which affiliate program you need to use to generate sales. Okay, so many people that they are doing affiliate marketing, they don't know, maybe they know about the affiliate program, but they want to make sales. It is very difficult for them to make a sales because they don't have experience, they don't know how they can promote the product, or they may have some they are not patient about how they can promote this product, and they don't know the strategy, and they don't have the right mindset to generate income from affiliate marketing. So I want to give you specifically the mindset and the strategy that you guys can take and just use in your program or affiliate marketing or online business, and you will see the result for your online business. So what I'm gonna share with you guys about ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate program that you guys can join and start generating income. So what is the ClickBank? ClickBank is product as a website that you guys can go and sign up for the uh, sign up for the program, and promote the product from ClickBank. There's thousands of products in the ClickBank, and you guys can go and promote this product and earn commission. So this is the ClickBank. So what is the JVZoo? JVZoo is a similar things like affiliate marketing. It's giving you uh, the quickest way that you guys can pay out your commission from JVZoo. So this is the JVZoo that I wanted to give you some information about the JVZoo. ClickBank give you every 2 weeks commission into your bank account if you earn commission from ClickBank. But JVZoo is you can earn commission like by next week, and you can promote this product from JVZoo and earn commission very soon. But the thing is, you need to uh, you know communicate with the vendor, with the owner of the affiliate program, and get the permission, and ask them to send you the amount for the work that you did, the promotion that you did for this product. So this is called the JVZoo, and the third one is Builderall. So what is a Builderall? You guys may familiar. The Builderall is coming new to the affiliate program. It was I think it was 7 years to another countries, and it coming like from last 2 years to US market, and the people that they wants to promote the Builderall, they they can go inside the Builderall and create a create a product, create a landing page, create sales funnel for the product that they want to promote, and you guys can go to Builderall and learn all the things that you want to learn from Builderall, and recommend the Builderall for another marketer or affiliate program that they wants to do build a business for their self from Builderall. And once they can earn make a sales, and you guys can join and you guys can earn commission from the people that you refer and you can earn commission. So this is called the Builderall. The third one is I wanted to share with you guys is Max Bounty. So what is Max Bounty? So Max Bounty is the CPA marketing affiliate program that you guys get cost per click, cost per action. So for example, some people wants to click on the program and or watch the video from this program. There is so many affiliate program that you guys can promote, and the affiliate program you guys can go and see. You can grab their you know email swaps. You can grab and their banner ads, and so many information about the product that you guys can go and check it out, and you guys can promote the affiliate program and product from the CPA marketing from Max Bounty. So the Max Bounty, it's cost per action. So once, as I mentioned before, the people wants to promote these products from Max Bounty, they can earn cost per action. Someone clicking on the product, you guys earn commission. Someone watch the video from the product, you guys can earn commission. So there's so many broad things going on in that Max Bounty, and more opportunity for making extra income from CPA marketing, and you guys can join this program. So if you want to join this program, it is little bit strict, because you need to uh, you know uh, sign up for this program, and then once you sign up for this program, you will get the call from Max Bounty manager, and the manager going to ask you some question. It's called interview, and you will get permission to promote the product from Max Bounty. And once you get the permission, you guys can communicate with your manager, and your manager send you some you know recommended affiliate program, that affiliate links and affiliate product that you guys can promote. And once you earn commission, they earn commission. So that's going to be like you know when you earn commission, your manager gonna earn commission, and that's the things that your manager going to help you about the CPA marketing, about Max Bounty. So that these four program that I shared with you guys is, I personally used all these programs. I personally earned commission from these programs, and I'm going to give you proof from next videos coming up from my affiliate programs, and you guys can see that how you guys can earn commission from each program, and you guys can get the benefit from this video, and choose which program that you want to work with, and earn commission. So the main goals for your affiliate marketing is just take action and start. Okay, so if you don't start, if you just go in every program from these four programs and just wants to learn, you can learn. So many things going on in these programs. You can learn it, but it takes time, and you need to put your time to learn everything, and it does going to be good things for you, that you can save the knowledge from these programs, and you can earn commission, high commission in the next few years. But if you really want to earn commission fast, you need to stick in one program. So for example, if you are new to JVZoo or ClickBank, Buildroll or Max Bounty, you know some stuff about these programs, stick in one thing. For example, if you know about the ClickBank, stick in one thing, stick on ClickBank, and promote this product until you earn some good commission. It does take time, maybe not years, but that's gonna take time, from next month, from next 2 months, 3 months. You will definitely between 3 months going to earn some commission from one of these program, if you stick in one of these, and work every day, and just be optimistic about the work that you do. And yeah, as I mentioned before, I have so many videos in my channel. You guys can go and check it out. Mostly my videos about the ClickBank, because ClickBank is very easy platform that you guys can earn commission fast, and the product from this ClickBank is already converting well for sales, and so many marketers, they are going to promote this product. So myself, I have so many videos about the ClickBank, and how you guys can get the traffic, and how you can promote this product from ClickBank. If you guys wants to know about this ClickBank, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go to my channel and watch every video that I share it with you guys about ClickBank and the traffic sources that you guys can get, and start watching, because it's not about watching and just seeing the results. It's all about action. Once you see the video from my affiliate program, start taking action, and just put the work, and you will see the result very fast. So that's how I recommend you guys to start for affiliate marketing. So this is all the for affiliate marketing that I wanted to give you, the information that I earned from last few years, and I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys get some benefit from this video. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for your listening, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and watch my other videos. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.